Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to general agriculture, which are asked in most of the competitive exams. In this video, we have given an apt explanation for each question that we go through. Hope this video is going to be informative to all of us. Now let's get into the video. Here we are with the first question. The most salt tolerant fruit crop is date palm. Date palm is the most salt tolerant fruit crop. Here we come across some of the other salt tolerant crops. Some of the other salt tolerant crops are barley, sugar beet and cotton. The herbicide used as pre-plant incorporation is flucloraline. Flucloraline is the herbicide that is used for pre-plant incorporation. Pre-plant incorporate herbicides are sprayed or incorporated before 1 to 2 days of sowing of the crop. Examples of pre-plant incorporate herbicides are flucloraline and trifluralin. The method demonstration was proposed by which of the following scientists? Method demonstration was proposed by S.A. Knapp. Father of method demonstration is Dr. Seaman Knapp. The basic principle is learning by seeing and doing. First AICRP All India Coordinated Research Project was started in which of the following crops? First AICRP was started in maize crop. First All India Coordinated Research Project was started in the year 1957 on maize crop and it is located at New Delhi. Inbreeding in cross-pollinated crops increases homozygosity. The variety of rice which was first introduced in India from IRRI Philippines is TN1. First introduced rice variety is TN1. It is introduced in the year 1965 by Galam. The first dwarf variety of the world and the miracle rice of world is IR8. The crop suitable for soil having pH 4 to 6 is rice. The crops which need acidic pH for growth and development are rice, potato and tea. One of the important fixed cost on farm is land rent. Fixed cost include land, machinery, equipment and instruments. The percentage of sulfur in single superphosphate is 12.5%. Single superphosphate includes 3 nutrients. They are calcium 19%, phosphorus 16% and sulfur 12%. The element essential for chlorophyll formation in plant is magnesium. Chlorophyll structure has magnesium in the center and it is surrounded by 4 rings. A process of initiating a conscious and purposeful action is called as motivation. The process of desirable changes in human behavior through gaining desirable knowledge is education. The mean is equal to variance in which of the following kind of distribution? Mean is equal to variance in Poisson distribution. Red flesh is a variety of which of the following fruit crop? Red flesh is a variety of guava. The varieties Arka Lalit, Arka Kiran, H17 and 16, Punjab Pink and Arka Rashmi are highly used for the processed foods like squash and jelly. Functional unit of rural society is village. Basic unit of civilization is family and basic unit of society is village. Intensity of K fixation is maximum in vermiculite. Vermiculite is a 2:1 non-expanding type of clay mineral. Reason for the fixation is ammonium ion and potassium ion are of similar size. The rock garden is an essential feature of which of the following? Rock garden is an essential feature of Japanese garden. Minimum support price should be declared at which stage of the crop? Minimum support price should be declared before sowing of the crop. Minimum support price started in the year 1965 and 66 and the crops covered under MSP are 22 crops. Biuret content in urea should not exceed 2%. Biuret content generally should not exceed 1.5 to 2%. Biuret content in foliar spray should not exceed 0.25%. Sowing time of Boro rice is November to December. Sowing time of US rice is April to May. Almond rice is June to July. And Boro rice is November to December. Marginal farmers are those who hold the land up to 1 hectare. Marginal farmers are the farmers who hold less than 1 hectare of land, while that of small farmers hold 1 to 2 hectares. Semi-medium farmers hold 2 to 4 hectares. Medium farmers hold 4 to 10 hectares. And large farmers are the farmers who hold more than 10 hectares. Extension teaching is horizontal. Which is the best measures of dispersion? Standard deviation is the best measure of dispersion. Most commonly used measure of dispersion is standard deviation. Simplest measure of dispersion is range. Bud necrosis in groundnut is transmitted by thrips. Free-living symbiotic nitrogen-fixing bacteria is Azotobacter. These bacteria are mostly used in crops such as rice, wheat, cotton, and sugarcane. Promycelium gives rise to basidiospores. Horizontal resistance is oligogenic. It is qualitative resistance governed by more than one gene. Mean, median, mode are equal in which distribution? Mean, median, mode are equal in normal distribution. Demand for luxurious goods is more elastic. Which is a metamorphic rock? Marble is a metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks are, apart from marble, slate, quartz and gypsum are also the metamorphic rocks. Dual purpose breed of cattle is Tharparkar. Dual purpose breeds of cattle are Kankridge, Mewati, Tharparkar and Ongole breeds. Loose mut of wheat pathogen is internally seed-borne. Causal organism of loose mut of wheat is Ustilago nuda tritici. In seed testing, Grove test is conducted to determine genetic purity. Translocation of carbohydrate mostly takes place in the form of sucrose. Translocation of sugars is affected by element boron. Physiological disorder caused by zinc deficiency in rice is Kyra disease. Kyra disease is caused by zinc deficiency. It was discovered by Dr. Y.L. Nene and it can be corrected by application of zinc sulfate. Etiolation in plant is caused by unavailability of light. Protein and oil content in soybean is 40 and 20. Soybean has 40% of protein and 20% of oil. Protein and oil content of groundnut is 40% and protein content of groundnut is 20%. Illite is which type of clay mineral? Illite is non-expanding 2:1 type of clay mineral. Silicate clay minerals are 1:1 kyanite, 2:1 is montmorillonite and illite, 2:1 is chlorite. Piezometer is an instrument used to measure which of the following? Piezometer is an instrument used to measure the depth of the water table. Texture classes of soil depends on particle size distribution. Indian economy is mixed type. Plant takes nitrogen mostly in the form of nitrate. Soil having highest infiltration rate come under which group? Soil having highest infiltration rate come under the group aridizole. Troposphere is a layer which is located at a height of 8 to 16 kilometers. Beaufort scale is used for measuring which of the following? Beaufort scale is used to measure wind pressure. Apical dominance in sugarcane is suppressed by which of the following hormone? Apical dominance is suppressed by hormone cytokinin. Foot and mouth disease is a viral disease. Non-symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria is Azotobacter. Carbon dating technique is used for the determination of age of fossils. Credit of white revolution goes to V. Kurian. And the white revolution is related to milk production. Borodox paste is a mixture of copper sulfate and lime. Borodox mixture is an effective fungicide and bactericide that has been used for decades to control the diseases in fruit crops. Which soil horizon is absent in arable lands? In arable lands, O horizon is absent. O horizon is the organic horizon which is present above mineral soils, and it is generally found in the arable lands and forest areas. Inflorescence of banana is known as paddocks. Unitless measure of dispersion is coefficient of variation. Flame photometer is used for the determination of potassium. Alkaline permanganate method is used for the determination of available nitrogen. Phosphorus is extracted in soil by using Bray number 1 or Olsen method. Sunflower is the indicator plant for boron deficiency. Mustard is the indicator plant for phosphorus deficiency. Sugar beet and turnip are the indicator plants for sodium deficiency. Transgenic plants are released under the committee Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. The Wheat and Maize Improvement Center is located at Mexico. Citrus canker disease of lemon was introduced into India from which of the following country? Citrus canker disease of lemon was introduced into India from USA. Soil amendment mainly used for reclamation of sodic soil is gypsum. Lime is used for the reclamation of acidic soils. The soil order vertisol is related to black soil. The soil order altisol is related to red clay soil. Due to zero tillage, which property of the soil is not changeable? Due to zero tillage, the soil texture of the soil is not changeable. Single dose anticoagulant rodenticide is bromodiolin. Virus having DNA as genetic material is pox virus. DNA is constituted with chromatin. Clove is obtained from which part of the plant? Clove is obtained from the bud of the plant. Milk is deficient in which of the following nutrient? Milk is deficient in the nutrient iron. Which of the following is a herbicide? Isoproteron is an herbicide. Age of plants is determined by seeing the annual rings. High affinity of hemoglobin is with which of the following gas? Hemoglobin is highly efficient to carbon monoxide gas when compared to oxygen. IPR stands for Intellectual Property Rights. Ratna variety of mango is a cross between Neelam and Alfonso. Who is known as father of genetics? Gregor George Mendel is known as father of genetics. Good quality silage is prepared from which of the following crop? Good quality silage is prepared from maize. National Biodiversity Board is situated at Chennai. The crop which is also known as camel crop is sorghum. Avarodi is the variety of gram which is resistant to wilt. The potash rich containing clay mineral is illite. The first stage of soil erosion by water is sheet erosion. The hormone that produces roots in plant is indole butyric acid. The element that causes dispersion of soil particle is sodium. Central Arid Zone Research Institute is located at Jodhpur. Cooperative Credit Society is a characteristic of three-tier system. Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices recommends minimum support price. Central Soil and Water Conservation Research and Training Institute is located at Dehradun. The end product of glycolysis is pyruvic acid. NABARD was set up on the recommendation of which of the following committee? NABARD was set up on the recommendation of Sivaraman Committee. KVK was set up by Planning Commission. Most prominent soil group in India is alluvial soils. Alluvial soils are most found in India. The Indian Farming is published from which of the following institute? Indian Farming is published from Indian Council of Agriculture Research. The most dominant clay mineral in black soil is Montmorillonite. The word soil is derived from which of the following languages? The word soil is derived from Latin language. A cross between hybrid and one of its parents is called as backcross. The soil having maximum porosity is peat soil. Peat soil has maximum porosity. Hand refractometer is used to measure total soluble solids. Rock phosphate is safely used in acidic soils. The strength of soil is measured by cone penetrometer. The first KVK was established in which place? First KVK was established in Pondicherry in the year 1974. The most influenced type of demonstration is method demonstration. Which protein is rich in cereals? Cysteine is a protein which is rich in cereals. Strawberry is propagated by which of the following methods? Strawberry is propagated by runners. High salt tolerant crop is sugar beet. Sugar beet is high salt tolerant crop. For staying in tune with us, you can also follow our WhatsApp group and the number is displayed on the screen. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World.